So, Mac Squad, we are back with a brand new video here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Moto G Fast for Boost Mobile. Probably should have got this device a few months ago, but I got it now. Stay tuned. So Mac Squad, as I said in the intro of this video here, this is going to be an unboxing of the Moto G Fast on Boost Mobile here. And as you can see there on the front, it says activate on our newly expanded data network. And I think it has a lot to do with T-Mobile and Sprint merging here. So it may be a situation where I actually activate this line, but we'll see. And this is a device that I was thinking about getting for quite a while. It's just that I just couldn't justify the $200 price tag because I already had the Moto G Power. Now, I'll understand it if I didn't have the G Power, but because I already had it, I couldn't do it. But this device is actually on sale for 89 bucks. Not sure exactly how much it will be at the time of you watching this video here, but you can see we got some specs display here. 6.4-inch HD display, 32 gigs of ROM, 3 gigs of RAM, 16 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel camera in the front, and a 2 gigahertz octa-core processor, which is a Snapdragon 665 inside this device here. You can see here that it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Of course, it's Android OS. I believe it's Android 10 on here. And you get access to 4G LTE. So definitely excited about this device here. $89, you cannot go wrong. Let me go ahead and get this open. It's going to be some struggling here. So tell you what, I'll leave this part in the video. I'll just speed it up. A little entertainment for you. I open up a lot of boxes when it comes to these devices here. There we are. So shout out to Boost Mobile and Motorola here. You get one box open just to get to another box. Let me go get a knife. Looks even better in person. See that triple camera setup? $89. You can't beat this, y'all. Thing looks good, don't it? All right. Looks like we get a charging brick, I would say. I don't think this is turbo charging. So here's the brick that it comes with here. And then you pretty much get your USB Type-C cable, books, and that's pretty much it. $89, couldn't pass it up. I thought that was a great deal for this device here. I feel like with Motorola phones, you get a lot for your money here. So here's the device itself. Now, I don't have a case or anything for it, so it's pretty much gonna be rocking this naked for the time being. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull this off. Boom. That white color in the back does look really good. To go a little bit more over these specs here, I believe it's a 16 megapixel standard camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Along with an LED flash, you see you get a fingerprint scanner in the back. Your power button is definitely rigid. You get your volume up and down keys. And on the box, it actually said that the device, it has an 8 megapixel camera in the front. I'm not sure if this device has dual speakers or not, but one is definitely on the bottom. You get your USB Type-C charging port. The headphone jack is actually on the top, along with a microphone. And on the left side of the device here, you get a SIM tray slot. I believe you can actually expand the storage of this device here. But keep in mind, 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. You may need an SD. That all depends on you as a user here. But let me go ahead and get this device powered up and see how it is. So, Mac Squad, here we are back with the Moto G Fast here, and we got it set up, well, for the most part. Still got to install a bunch of applications here, but I literally just copied my setup from my G Power and put it on this device here. And first thing I can tell you right off the box is that the screen quality, although it's 720p, 6.4 inches to be exact, it's a pretty good quality screen. It actually looks really good. I got it on full brightness here. Let me go ahead and turn that down a little bit. But yeah, it actually looks really good. Let me go ahead and activate the camera really quickly to see what that looks like compared directly to the Moto G Power, of course. Oh, that's a pretty good looking photo. Okay. So yeah, the camera quality actually is decent here. The video resolutions, we're checking it out right now. I think you get 4K in this phone. Yep, you get full HD at 60 frames per second. You get 4K. Let's see. And that isn't too bad. I'm not upset about that. But yeah, pretty much getting this device set up here. So I'm pretty much going to end the video here because I don't want this video to go on too long. This is just an unboxing video. As far as first impressions goes with this device here right now, I'm going to save that for another video here. This is just the unboxing. So yes, I do have the phone in the hand here and expect a ton of videos to be coming with this device in the near future, putting it up against every single thing I have here in the lineup. So Mac Squad, let me know in the comment section below, what videos do you want to see here with the Moto G Fast, being that we have it here in the lineup now. And if you're new to the channel here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any coverage when it comes to budget devices like the Moto G Fast. And Mac Squad, like this video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching budget devices like the Moto G Power. And then you get to see unboxing videos like these. And last but not least, share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.